In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase video speed on the Telegram app in just a few seconds. This is a super useful trick if you want to watch a video faster, catch up on long clips more efficiently, or slow things down if you need to follow along carefully. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple app guides like this. 1. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or tablet and go to the chat where the video was sent. Once you find the video, tap on it to open it in the Telegram video player. Make sure the video is fully loaded in the player window before you continue. Now, look at the top or corner of the video player and find the gear icon, which is the settings button. Tap that gear icon to open the playback options. In this menu, you'll see the speed controls for the video. Telegram usually lets you choose a playback speed anywhere from 0.5 times all the way up to 2.5 times, depending on the version of the app and the video player settings. If you want to watch the video faster, select a higher speed like 1.5 times, 2 times, or even 2.5 times. If you want to slow the video down, choose a lower speed like 0.5 times or 0.75 times. As soon as you tap your preferred speed, the video will start playing at that new rate instantly. You don't need to save anything manually, and you can change it again at any time while the video is playing. This is great for lectures, tutorials, voice notes turned into video, or any long video clip where you want more control over the playback. If you don't see the speed option right away, just make sure you are using the in-app Telegram player and not opening the video in another app. The feature is usually available directly inside Telegram's own player window. And that's it. You now know how to increase video speed on Telegram app quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.